Look how pretty this is. That is ice in that pond there. It's got to be 55 out here, but there's ice. Here's the trail. And look at these really pretty flowers. So we're still going up. And we've made it to snow. And lost the trail a bit here, but we think it goes that way. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Is that the trail that way?
Yeah, you come up this way.
Look how beautiful. Alright, well I think we've reached as far as we can go. Dave's being brave and hiking up. This thing is like, you can't tell, but it's going up 5 or 6 feet high. If we wipe out, we're going to get a quick ticket straight down to the ocean. It goes straight down. Isn't that beautiful? You can see a little stream way off in the distance down there. Okay, now you'll have it on record when I fall on my face and slide all the way down the mountain.
Okay. Ketchikan, Alaska.
Actually, the footholds were more pronounced earlier on.
Yeah.
Definitely want trek poles for this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the trail.
Oh yeah, so we can keep going up there.
Since we're here, we might as well take a look around the corner.
Okay.
Okay, let me come around that way. Somebody else before us had climbed up here and slid down this hill. We're not going to do that because they had a wet rear end. Okay, we're trying out our snow hiking techniques. We probably don't have any because we never hiked in snow. And that's where it keeps going, but then it runs into another snow patch. So this is really cool. We didn't make it to the top because there's already snow up here everywhere. We'll still have about 3.5 hours to get back, so I think we should be good. Let's see, can I walk down and film at the same time? We will find out. You made it?
Alright, Jen's coming down the mountain.
Check poles are definitely handy.
Yeah, doing a good job. Good job.
Didn't go down the mountain, yay! We made it! Found the snow, hiked up here. Oh, now we're going back down.